Are you planning a trip to Switzerland and want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Lewis, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for Switzerland in 2025. I'll break down the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts in case you're interested. Links are in the description. Alright, let's get into it. The eSIM provider I recommend for Switzerland is Mobile. If you're looking for cheap and flexible plans, Maya is a strong pick. For Switzerland, the options start with 3GB for $7.19, valid for 10 days. There's also 5GB for $8.99 and 10GB for $14.39, each valid for the same 10 days. Heavier data users can choose 20GB for $20.69, and if you want to forget about limits, there's even unlimited data for $28.79. Everything is 5G ready and activates instantly, and if you use the link in the description, you'll get 10% discount. When you click the link in the description, it will take you to Maya's homepage. From there, just type Switzerland into the destination search bar. You'll see a list of available plans. Choose the one that fits your needs. At checkout, you'll see the 10% discount automatically applied on the screen. Once you complete the payment, you'll get a QR code instantly. Just scan it with your phone and your eSIM will be activated and ready to use in minutes. Now, if you already tried Maya and you didn't like it so far, or maybe you didn't like the options they offer, then I will recommend Airalo. I've tried it myself and they are great. If speed and simplicity matter most, Airalo's plans offer great value. For Switzerland, the option starts with 1GB for $4.50, valid for 7 days. There's also 2GB for $8, valid for 15 days, and 3GB for $10, valid for 30 days. For heavier users, there's 5GB for $14.50, 10GB for $24, and 20GB for $38, all valid for 30 days. The app is super simple to use. Once you buy a plan, you get a QR code instantly and you're good to go. If you ever need more data, you could just top up right from the app. And if you use the link in the description, you'll get that same 10% discount. So, which one should you choose? Airalo or Maya Mobile? If you want the best overall deal, especially for light usage or short stays, Maya Mobile takes the top spot. The plans are flexible and the prices are wallet friendly. But if you're going for long-term use and you'd like the convenience of 30-day validity, Airalo gives you solid value, especially if you need smaller data packs. Both links are in the description with exclusive discounts already applied. Pick the one that suits your trip best, follow the steps, and you'll be connected in Switzerland in just a few minutes. No roaming, no SIM card swaps, no stress. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.